up, first grade? It is Monday, May 18th, and this is our math paper for today. On the top, you're adding 3 numbers. So I'm going to add 2. I know 4 plus 3 is 7, and then 7 plus 7 is a double, which is easier to add, so I'll add that to make 14. Where if I look over here at this one, I know that 6 plus 4 makes a 10, and then I would add the 3 next. Down here on number 2, they want you to divide the desserts in half. Where the donut and the cookie, you can divide either direction. The apple you have to cut in half this way for 2 equal pieces. Number 3 says write the differences. Match the difference with the letter to make a special treat, and then draw a picture of the treat. Well, 13 minus 9 is 4, and when I look over at 4, C is my answer. When I come down here and do 12 minus 9, my answer is 3, and 3 is the letter A, and I would write it underneath. And there will be an answer right here of what it is. On the back of this paper, we have where you write the sums and watch for carrying. No carrying boxes are given. So if I look right here, 6 plus 8 is, that's my 14 right here. But this is a 10, and I'm going to put it in the tens place because I cannot put 2 digits underneath. And then I have 4 ones left over, and I put it in the ones place. 1 plus 4 plus 7 equals 12. In this one, I have 100 that I can move to the hundreds place, and I put the 2 underneath. And I'm going to remember to add that 1 to the 4 plus the 3 to make 8. Down here I have a graph, and it's books read for reading contest. I have the names of who's in it on the side, and each box represents 3 books. I need to read the directions carefully. Down on A, it says write the number of blocks. Emily had 2 blocks, so I wrote 2 blocks. Alex has 1, 2, 3, 4, so I wrote 4 blocks. Number B says how many books does each block represent? And remember when we looked down here, we said it was 3. Finally, on number C, it says write what we count by to find the number of books to read, and we're counting by 3. So to write our multiplication fact, we do 2 with the time sign, because that's how many books Emily read, blocks, and it was 3 for each book, so 2 times 3 equals 6. For Alex, I would start with 4 because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. And we're going to count by 3s, and I need to use the multiplication sign and an equal sign. So then I would have 4 times 3 equals, well, let's count. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 4 times 3 is 12. On my next paper for today, it says write sentences using these words. I have the word swimming. I could write, I like swimming in the summer. Or, Jared takes swimming lessons on the weekends. This word is vacation, and if you notice, there's that shun in nation. On the bottom, we have empty blanks for sentences with a list of animals, and they all have a word beginning, so all the words you fill in the blank will begin with a little letter. A blank helps with work on the farm. Is that a duck, tiger, horse, snake, or eagle? On the back side of this, the directions tell you to write the names of 4 animals. I picked dog, giraffe, elephant, eagle. The second step is to write 2 sentences about your favorite animal. I'm going to pick eagle because there are bald eagles around our house. So I might say, I saw a bald eagle. And to add more detail, rather than just saying I saw a bald eagle, I'm going to say where. So I saw a bald eagle flying in the sky. I could have also said sitting in a tree. That's only one sentence because I have a capital to a period, so I will need to make another sentence. He was flying over the school. And again, I'm going to check to make sure I began with a capital and ended with a period. And then you may draw a picture to go with your sentences. And to check, I have one capital and it ends in a period. I have another capital and it ends with a period, and it's a complete thought. On this one, we have our spelling word list for the week, which are these words. We have sun, shine, picnic, planting, water, pool, sprinkler, summer, beach, fruit, carrot, lettuce, tomato, swimming, friend. I want you to write them one time on here, and don't pay attention to it as being a spelling paper, but as a paper just to write the words on. And that is what we have for this week, for today on Monday.